friends, welcome yet again to my channel. I'm Victoria Ayo. I am a local real estate agent in North and South Carolina. Today I am touring Pinnacle at Wesley Chapel, located in Weddington, North Carolina. This community is actually a 55+ community, so that's pretty cool. We're gonna preview this model home here right behind me called the Laney. The Laney, guys, can range from about that 2 to 4 bedroom home, and the square footage ranges about 1,800 to 2,700, and you have the option of either a ranch style or a 2-story home. If you haven't already, be sure to hit that like button and please subscribe so you become a part of my YouTube family. As always, more information about this home will be found in the description bar. So let's check out this home together. Immediately we walk in here, we are actually gonna go right into the first bedroom here. So you can see this bedroom here currently is housing a full-size bed, but I think you can get away with a queen most definitely. And I like the 2 big windows here and the high ceilings in this room, making it feel that much more grand. And then we are going to transition over here to the bathroom. So this is a granite countertop, and I do like the darker choice of cabinets here. You have that choice with Taylor Morrison home. And then as you can see here, we have a walk-in shower. And then we're going to check out the closet. Actually, that's always a big thing to check out the closet space. People love to look at the closet space. So this is a pretty decent sized closet. And then we're gonna go right over here. So this is more of an optional work area, a bonus room per se. And right now this is converted into an office space, as you can see here. But you know, you can probably get away with making this a guest bedroom, but I probably wouldn't, because there isn't a closet or anything here. But this is an optional bonus area. So let's check out the rest of the home here. And guys, I do love that we have hardwood here running all throughout the home, but except the bedrooms. The bedrooms have carpet in them. And check out these walls, the details, the choice of wallpaper here is very, very unique and it's very nice. This home does have a 2-car garage, but we're not gonna go preview that today just because it is model home, so a lot of things are converted. But it does have a 2-car garage, and it does have a half hallway bathroom here, which is just a standard hallway bathroom. And then we transition over here to the laundry space area. And so as you can see, pretty nice laundry space area. It gives you the idea that this could possibly be your pet's living area. All right. We are going to transition to the kitchen area first here. And guys, one thing I love about this is the tall island. This tall island is very different, and I love it, right? You can see here you can house 3 chairs, 3 placemats, and it just feels very, very nice in here. You have your built-in microwave, your built-in refrigerator, and I like that the dishwasher here is elevated, making it that much easier. And then we have our farmhouse sink here. You do have this choice if you want either what you see here, or if you want stainless steel, you can customize it with Taylor Morrison. And as you can see, I love the gold trim on the white cabinets. You have that choice if you want the gold, or if you want any color cabinets or trim, you have that choice with Taylor Morrison alongside your backsplash here. Okay, and then we transition right over here to kind of our dining area. I wouldn't call this necessarily a formal dining area, but you can play with this space most definitely. And as we see here, this houses 6. And I think depending on the style of table, you can probably even get away with 8, I would say. And guys, one thing I've noted about this living space area are the number of windows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 window and light coming even through this door here. No wonder this home feels very airy and feels light. And we're going to transition here into the living space area. It's a pretty standard living space area. I like the centralized fireplace here, and also the built-in shelves on either side of those. Let's go check out the owner suite here. Oh, hey, I kind of matched this room. So, so as I mentioned, there are carpets in the bedroom here. So this owner suite, as you can see, this is a king size bed. And even with that, you can see how much more space is allotted in this room. So that's it's a pretty big room, actually, in my opinion. And then we're gonna transition here into the owner suite bathroom. You have your double vanity sinks here. And these are granite countertops here, white cabinet trim. And you have both a walk-in shower and a garden tub. So you can soak or you can shower. And of course, guys, you have your private toilet here as well, your enclosed private toilet. And one of my favorite, of course, if you've been following my channel for a while, is a big closet space. And so this is a very spacious closet, enough to share with a spouse or partner. So there you have it, guys. What did you think about this home? Do you know anyone that would be interested in this community? As I mentioned, this community is in Weddington, North Carolina. It's in its newest phases and it probably will not last long. So if you know anyone interested in this community, please have them reach out to me. You can find me on my social media at Victoria BAO Realtor. I am on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, or you can have them send me an email to victoriabao@costellorei.com. Remember, if you haven't already liked this video or subscribed, please be sure to do that so others can find this beautiful community and this beautiful home with ease. Remember, you can't lose with AO. I'll see you in the next video.